Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU. I trust that you are well. Today I'm showing you how to prepare a strawberry yogurt using fresh ingredients. And there's no dairy, lovely. We thank God. So I added roughly 3/4 of a cup of frozen strawberries. You can work with fresh, but frozen would be best. 3 tablespoons of whole hemp seeds, 5 dates that have been pitted, 1 key lime, and I'm also adding 1 baby banana. You don't have to work with the baby banana, but I'd encourage you to because it just tastes good. I roughly added about, say, 100 mils of water, roughly. It wasn't much, just a little bit. You may not need to add water depending on your blender and also depending on the type of thickness that you want. If you want it to be a little bit more runny, add a bit more water, but you may need to add a bit more ingredients because the ingredients is what gives it the taste because we're not using any sugar. And this is a wonderful way to incorporate more fruits into your lifestyle. I love this. This is fitted for children, for babies. It's really dope. It tastes delicious. I trust that you enjoy this recipe. Take care, my lovely.